Jai Hind class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed the Python. The Python's continue is going on and everyone is practicing in your system. Students, I think previous class we have discussed some programs. Just I'm sharing the one PDF file with you. Students, the page numbers as I'm telling. These things we have completed before previous class, and previous class we have discussed. Yes, how to run script mode, interactive mode, and about the pro- uh, program calculus of two-digit number, about the strings. These all are input functions, and about the program also. And the one, this is practice time, how to find how we can find a 5% discount for total purchase of stationery we have done previous class. And how to find how to write in script mode 1 miles equals 1.6 kilometers. And also we have just find Celsius equal Fahrenheit minus 32 multiple 5.9. Students, by the previous class, I think everyone done, and few students also shown me on window. So students, now just continuing this class, and we just going to tell what is the role of the print function and how we can print if you are giving the print work. Okay. So students, first of all see your book, and everyone have a book, students. So first of all, I am sharing this PDF file with all of you. This given students, print features of print function. Features of print function, that means the print function in Python is used to print a message or value on the output device. Print function, with the help of the print function we can print the message, as well as we can also you can see these things on output device, through the output device, just like you are doing the run command, F5 function. These all are, it converts the message or an object into a string before writing its own screen. It on the screen. It can have multiple parameters. Yes, students, it has parameters like it support the multiple escape sequences to format, like slash n, that is new line, slash t, that is tab space, and r, that is the carriage return. So students, according to your course, we just going to print function. How? Using the separate with print function. First of all, there is given the operators. This is the inverted comma. This is given the comma and semicolon. This is use the semicolon. When you use these things, operator as the operator separate among the values. The value are displayed with a space between them. Okay. So now we will show you better. Don't worry. There is given one program 7. You can see everyone in your book. A equal 10, B equal 20, and C equal 100. Okay. There are three variables we have taken. The A value is the 10, that is numeric value. B equal 20 and C equal 100. And in which you print given the A comma B comma C. Okay. As a similar, when we talk about the, then this is the output. We are seeing this 10, 20, and 100. This way we can separate them. Okay. So first of all, we are showing with the practical. See everyone, students. Python. Yes, students. Now it is open. Yes, student, there is given in your book A equal 10, B equal 20, C equal 100, and print A, B, and C. So same way, print. First of all, we will define A equal 10, B equal 20, and suppose C equal 30. Okay. Now print A comma B comma C. Now we will see the output. See students, 10, 20 and 30. Okay, this is the interactive mode. Again we are showing this uh, a equal 200, b equal 500, c equal 700 and d equal 1000. Okay, now print a comma b comma c comma d. Okay, now use this operator symbol commas c here. Now all the values are separated: 200, 500, 700, 1000. Here first of all we have given a equal 10, b equal 20 and c equal 10, 30. What we have got? Print. When we have print using the print command, and the way of this, how to print this, with the separate, it shows the separate. So a equal 20, a comma b comma and c, then 10, 20 and 30 we have got. Similar, a equal 200, b equal 500, c equal 700 and d equal 1000. One more variable we have taken, one more variable, and the value is this 1000. Print a, that is comma, b, that is comma, c, that is comma, then d. So what we are getting? A, b and c and d, that is separated: 200, 500, 700, 1000. So students, everyone understood? Now the next one is given string using the /t. This is tab space. When you use this /t escape sequence at the separate or among the values are displayed by the space between them. Like this, everyone can see a equal 10, b equal 20 and c equal 100. So what? Print first of all a comma /t, b comma /t, then c. So now we will use the same things here, students. You can see, students, /t, that is tab space. When we use /t, then sequence at the separator among the values, and values are displayed with a tab space between them. This program 8 is given, so I am showing with this practical. See everyone, here we are writing the same a equal whatever we have given. Now print a comma, okay students, a comma slash, this is inverted quotation marks, /t, again close it, then comma, b, again we have to use the same thing, students, then commas, /t, close, then comma, c, then comma, /t, then comma, then d, now close. So what students we have written? A /t, b, then /t, c, then /t, d, that is last. So then no need to write again the /t. See there. This is the compared to when we have used the a comma, b comma, c comma, d, and now print this one. If suppose we are writing, students, the same thing, what happened? Just we want to see. Yes, say students. Okay, a equal, if any number value you have taken, though, like this value has come, so better use the this one. Again I am showing each and every one. A equal, that is 100, b equal 200, okay, c equal 300, d equal then 400, e equal then 500. Okay students, now same function, print a comma, we have to use /t, then comma, b comma, /t, again comma, c, then comma, /t, D. अच्छा, okay, one value we also taken, then comma, then E. Say students. Okay. So students, in program 8 now we have done. This is the output also showing whatever we have done as same as it. Okay. Clear students? Now string slash n, that is new line character. So new line character in Python is used to end a line and start a new line in Python. The same way, but place of t we will use the n. This is for the new line character. Input function, and with the print function slash n is a new line character used in Python. Let's consider another example. Suppose you want to make a program to accept the name, age and marks of students. For this, add the following code. Okay, first of all, we'll do how to use the slash n students. Same, print a comma, then slash n, okay, comma, then b, again slash n, then c, after that d, e. Say students, how the value we have got now. Slash t when we have given, then we have got the value like this. Spaces are the given in a one line, but when we have used the print slash n place of t, then a, then new line character, then b, again new line character, then c, then d, before it we will go the new line, and then d after that new line, then e. So this way we have got the new line. Clear students? There is given also how to use. Now there is given the program 10, in which there is given the name, age, class, how to enter the name, how to enter the class, and how to enter the age. Okay, using this command. So everyone see students this program. First of all, writing the name equal, this should be the in script mode students. So I am taking the file, new file, okay, name equal, and we should take the input, enter your name, close this one. Same way we will write the age equal input, enter your age. Next one is given class, input, enter your class. Okay, now student, we will write the print also. This is the input we have taken now. Now we will show the output also. So print your name is similar, print your class, your age. Age, print your the last given class is okay class. This is program 10. Now run. You have to save first of all. So we have written p10 dot py. Okay, now see the answer. Enter your name, suppose Amit, age 15, class 6. Amit, your name is Amit, your age is 15, your class is 6. Let's students, we have enter your name, enter your age and enter your class. So what we have got the output, Amit 15 and 6. Let's students, this way whatever we are seeing here in output. Okay, a similar is program 11 also given. In program 11 there is given how to use the slash n. Now we will use the slash n students. Okay, same program is here, slash n we will do. Slash n. Here also you write the slash n. Then now slash n and also here with a slash n. Now run or F5. Say students, okay, enter your name. We are giving what is we have given students. Okay, this one is given like this. Okay, that's why. Yes, this should be. That's why it's showing the slash n. Clear students? So also care for this one also. What you're putting the slash. Now run. See now, enter your name. So enter your age, class. 23 we have given. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Again, I'm seeing the output. Actually, everyone. We have given the age. Age is 14 or 15. Okay. And class is given 6. It is okay now, students. So now we have done also student this one. Okay, now here output also given here, students. A window in order to give the better understanding the text and the values. Place one each other. Okay, now recap is you know that these things we have already read. So now this chapter is completed, students. And fill the blanks, students. Is true, false, application based question and multiple choice questions. Answer following question. We have already sent students. So everyone write on a notebook, students. That is very important. Very soon the exam will start. So everyone complete anyhow your notebook, and also whatever we have completed in this chapter you have to do, students. Okay, but students, now the what is left here? Left is here. There is some assignment work is given. You can see here, because this is not ended, the learning while, that is the activity section. Write the output for the following course of statement. So you have to do, students. It is also given in your book. Huh? How to do this? Print. Then you know we know that you have done this, but we have to show students. Or you have to do also this one better. Okay. So suppose there is given print India and Delhi. India, that is this way is given. Delhi is this. This is all the given interactive mode. So everyone see. Okay, I'm just going to desktop. Okay, it is open now. Yes, students. Now so we see everyone how to do this. And students, everyone open the page number. There is given, students. This is the page number. After this, after question answer, the page is given. I am also showing that this page number 114. So open everyone. Now do the practical. Also I am doing with there is given print. Okay. Then what is given here? India. Then Delhi. What happened? India and Delhi, they are the only few space, not a space proper way. So now student, same thing you will write, print, then India, commas, /t, then comma, then what happened? Just I'm showing you, students. Now students, you can see here when we have a simple, we have written India and comma Delhi, then what we have got? Only few spaces here. But when we have used a /t, then one tab space we have got it. Now if we want to change it's a new character, new line. So what place of T you have to use the N. Print India, comma, then /n, Delhi. Okay, now we want to see. Yes, there should be. See, India, they have a new line Delhi. Okay, students. So this is the output of. You have to write here what output you will get. Clear, students? Now next is the C, that is D part. D is given A equal 10, A equal 10, B equal, that is the 20. Now C equal, now we will add them. Okay, A plus B and multiply 4, because we have not any single answer, because we had not given the output. So output given by the print, 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 and option C. C, students. C equal, we have given the 10 plus 20, that is 30, 30 into 4 and 120. Clear, students? Now the same question there is given, but they are given inverted comma. See one, what the difference in both? 10, B equal 20, then C equal A plus B, and they have given the A plus B only. Okay, so we have to do this. Print C. See, students, what happened? A equal 10 and B equal 20. Here we have not taken any quotation marks, but here we have taken a single quotation marks if quotient marks we are giving, so a and b variable will take as a character value. So character value we cannot add them, we can only join it. So they joined only 10 and 20, it is close to each other. But when we take as a number, numeral, so it will be plus and multiply will apply, then can uh, so this result as a numeric form. But here numeric form, but it is as a role as a character. Okay, suppose okay, now these things, yeah, next is given also same question there is given, but not use the that is called single quotation marks. A equal 10, b equal 20, then c equal a plus b. Okay, then print c. C students, now we have got the answer 30. Here we have got only merge it, but here we have got the answer students. So students, A part we have completed now. A is India Delhi, B is we have done these things, C, D equal this all our value we have done, E we have understood what is difference between E and F. Okay, rewrite the following statement after correcting them. Students, rewrite the following statement after correcting them. This now we are giving the homework B, C, and also we are giving this one A, B. Okay, next class we will discuss this one, but you have to do better. Students, now this chapter is almost completed. Next class we will discuss assignment work. Previous class whatever we have done, you have to do better practice. It's very important for you. And whatever questions and exercises we have given, write on your notebook. You know that there are 4 chapters are coming. Log on to access, introduce log on to access, working with log on to animate CC, log on to animate CC, working with animate CC, then Python, and last chapter is internet services. So beta, just now 3 chapters you are completed. Okay, very soon we just going to start the internet services. So beta, just write, and also whatever PT2 that is the you have given already, learn that question answer again revise it, almost you have learned. Okay, so students, whatever we have given today homework, that you have to do practice, and when window will open, then you have to, if you are getting answer, then you can send. Okay students, and also send the beta your question answer whatever you have completing. Okay, so now students, I am leaving the class. Thank you students. Jai Hind.